ASCO 2015 coverage. Thomas Baldrick here with Dr. Timothy Iveson, who joins us across the pond from the University Hospital in Southampton, England. Thank you, sir, for coming by and spending a few minutes with us. So let's talk about this international phase 3 trial you've been working on, the SCOT trial. What can you tell us about that?
The SCOT study is an international phase 3 study. It recruited 6,087 patients from 6 different countries, and it was looking at the duration of adjuvant chemotherapy for colorectal cancer. So it was patients who had stage 3 or high-risk stage 2 disease who were going to get combination chemotherapy with a fluoropyrimidine and oxaliplatin, and they were randomized to get 6 months treatment, which is the standard, or to get 3 months of treatment.
So there's a very large pool of patients, and talk about the quality of life aspect here.
What we've got today is the toxicity and quality of life, and what the quality of life showed from the quality of life questionnaires was that quality of life, as to be expected, is worse when people are on chemotherapy treatment. So those who are on chemotherapy for 6 months had decreased quality of life for a 6-month period as opposed to 3 months on the 3-month arm. But the quality of life seemed to recover back to sort of baseline by 12 months in both groups of patients.
So you had very varied toxicities. What were some of the other results that you saw?
Okay. Within the study, the main cumulative toxicity was peripheral neuropathy, which is a side effect of oxaliplatin. And those who had 3 months of treatment, they had 24% of them had grade 2-3 peripheral neuropathy, whereas those who had 6 months of treatment, 56% of them had grade 2-3 peripheral neuropathy. So that was the only cumulative side effect of the treatment. Apart from that, the treatment was similar in both arms. The side effects varied slightly according to the fluoropyrimidine backbone of the chemotherapy treatment, but as I say, the only cumulative toxicity was a neurotoxicity.
What's a key takeaway for you from this data?
Really already knew that peripheral neuropathy is a major problem with oxaliplatin. We know that and we've demonstrated here that it's worse if you have 6 months treatment as opposed to 3 months treatment. What we're now waiting for is the efficacy data, because we know we can reduce the toxicity with 3 months of treatment. What we're waiting now for is whether or not that translates to equal efficacy.
What would you be doing next with this?
I think that really depends upon what the results of this study are, because at the moment 6 months of treatment is the standard, and we have to wait to see what the results of this are as to whether that standard should change.
Very good, sir. Thank you. We wish you the best of luck. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.